Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the WSKEN screen protector, WSKEN, WSKEN screen protector. I went ahead and picked this up from Amazon. Now, I used them in the past for many different devices. This one is a matte finish. I never used their matte finish case screen protector before, but I like the matte finishes that I had before from different companies, so I decided to try them out. We'll try to install this on camera. We'll see how easy it is to install, and then we go over and see exactly how it looks on your phone. Do you have to reset your fingerprint scanner or anything like that too? So, but nice packaging from them. Bam, it says matte right down there. It says 2 pieces, so I got a feeling that you're gonna get 2 screen protectors in here. What kind of contraction is this? So you have your 2 screen protectors. You have some instructions on here. You have a welcome club, thank you, squeegee, installation pack. I don't even know what this is. How to solve your fingerprint scanner. So we're gonna put this on the side. First thing, like I normally say, turn off your phone. First thing you want to do. Second thing you want to do is open up your installation packet here. So you get 2 of everything. You want to take your wipes off or out the box. And then what you can do, if you wanted to, place your phone in here already. Make sure it's in there though too. You don't want it to be sticking up. Come on, bad boy, get in there. So you want to make sure it's in there too and not sticking up at all. And then you just kind of want to wipe it off. Make sure you get all your fingerprints off of there for the day. And like I said in all my other videos, again, if you can do this at nighttime, let it just sit there without a case on it. Do it in a room that's not dusty. Just the normal things. And then you take your dust remover. Alright, so once you clean your phone off, you want to take your screen protector, which is this thing here. And then it has instructions. You want to put this part to the top. And then what you do is mash up these little holes to the gray pieces down here. Right, you put that in there. You put this in there. But you want to make sure that this flap is out too. You shut this bad boy. And then what you do is slowly pull this off. Right, you're going to slowly pull it out. Then the magic part is you want to kind of, it might take a little bit of work, it might take some force, but you pull it this way, all the way to the bottom, and then you go all the way back to the top. Bam. Then you lift this bad boy up, and you just kind of reverse the process. You can pop this bad boy off, and then you just take your phone out. And you have your screen protector on there. Now they said this was matte finish. It's not as matte finish as some other ones that I use, but it is. Bam. That's actually installed pretty good. It comes, I mean, there's a little space there, a little space on the sides, but the cutout for the camera is precise. Let's turn it on. That was pretty easy to install. The little tricky thing is just to pull this as much and make sure your phone is sitting in there good. And you have anti-reflectness on here because of the matte finish. And it feels good. It actually looks, I mean, that was quite easy to install. No bubbles, no dust. And the fingerprint scanner, at least mine does work. Maybe. Yeah. Let's see. Works that time. Again, if you have trouble with it, just re-register your fingerprints. And you shouldn't have any problem with it. But yeah, the fingerprint scanner works good. It feels good too. It feels nice and smooth. Like it's not sticky or anything. So that was pretty good. I like this one too. Bam. And the color on your phone, the display still looks good and bright. Even with the matte finish on there. I mean, and my screen is so bright too, so. But it has anti-reflect properties on there too, so I mean, I have my lights on and you barely can see them. So that works really good too with this matte finish. Again, if you want to pick up this screen protector, I will have the links in the description. I've been using a lot of them. I might come back and do like my top 5 or at least my favorite screen protector to use. You can add this one to the list. I will have the links in the description. You can pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.